Yeah, this looks real casual with someone filming you.
Okay, now Matt, according to this, we're very, very close. Let me just casually see if
Beware
you
of
find anything
muggles.
under your... Find anything? The log is in the pen. The log is... There is no cache. This is a signature cache.
It's pretty stealthy.
Very stealthy. So it's a Velcro. Wow.
What?
Dad's going to have to do the signing here because...
Oh, there's another little piece. Dad, there's another little piece.
I know. I'm not... We don't need that. We just need this part. All right. Maddie, quickly put it back. So casual. I think it is time to take your mother to her. Well done, Matthew. Log type. Found it. Message. Very
Secret.
cool. Micro.
Might find another one today. Ooh.
Cache. Found it. With. Kelsey's quicker with this thumb stuff than your dad. Matthew. Whoops, says Mary. Matthew.
Mary.
We're going to change your name. It's easier than reversing. And Kelsey.